NJ Machinery specialized in making bean to bar chocolate machines. This rotary chocolate depositing line is designed for making chocolate chips, chocolate drops, chocolate chunks, and breadsticks. Compared with traditional piston-type chocolate depositing line, rotary-type chocolate depositing line is much more easier for cleaning and higher capacity. Based on same width, rotary depositing line is about 1.5 to 2 times higher than piston-type depositing line. NJ Machinery rotary chocolate depositing line, available from 600 mm to 1,500 mm. Cooling channel varies from 20 meters to 40 meters, depending on client factory length. This line has successfully installed and running in Canada, United States, Belgium, Australia, Brazil, India, Indonesia, and many other countries. Product changeover can be done in 10 minutes. All parts are made of food-grade 300 for stainless steel and can be flush cleaned with hot water. For limited factory length, we provide cooling table, cooling bed to assist in chocolate cooling. Cooling agent can be chilled water or glycol. Conveyor outlet end may connect to collection belt or bag or box packing system. NJ Machinery also able to provide auto packing solutions, including collection, bucket elevator, pre-made bags or film packing machine with multi-head auto weigher and auto robot palletizer. So one operator will be able to operate full production line. Different chocolate chip sizes are come from two ways. Small scale size differences can use same roller and adjust the combination movements of conveyor belt speed, depositing roller speed, and feeding pump speed. For bigger scale size differences, for example, change from 0.1 grams to 2 grams, an extra roller will be needed. Chocolate chunks and sticks producing by deposit chocolate stripes directly on the belt, then cut by a servo motor controlled cutter by setting different cutting speed to get different length. The minimum chocolate chip size can be reached by this rotary chocolate depositing line is 0.036 grams per piece. Big buttons, discs up to 5 grams per piece also possible. By connecting sprinkling machine with this rotary depositing line, clients may not only be able to supply industrial type chocolate buttons for quick melting or small drops for cookies or ice cream, but also chocolate drops with sugar ball or crushed nuts or sea salt to go to retail shops or supermarkets directly. NJ Machinery also improved this rotary depositing line to quick setup design. All function controls are connected to main cabinet by heavy-duty quick connection plugs, which allows electrical control works can be done in 1 day during installation. Are you ready to start your rotary chocolate depositing line now?